my cell phone rang. Homicide cell was cracking, I said this basketball game. What's happening in Arizona? I know we eating chips. Banged out like a motherfucking bushy 20 grip, man. I ain't doing shit but betting smoking some weed. This shit fruity than the motherfucking tropical trees, girl. Gotta get high, please don't ask me why. I can't explain, this thing makes me feel fine. Gotta get high, please don't ask me why. I can't explain, this thing makes me feel fine. Gotta get high, please don't ask me why. I can't explain, this thing makes me feel fine. Gotta get high, please don't ask me why. I can't explain, this thing makes me feel fine. 1 puff, 2 puff, 3 puff, 4. I know the beat, I'm about to give me some more. Blue hairs in the bitch, make this shit so sweet. It's kinda ready shit, 216. Weed prices sky high, blow your ass to the roof. About to pick up the beat, while they can do what it do. The sun burns, the road dries, time to hit me some licks. Flip my house, smoke a quarter on some good old loud shit. My music on blast, I'm living penthouse look. We got a room outside, that's where we always chillin'. Pool table with the pool, glass screens everywhere. I can't gag and see you and avoid the squares. Real niggas keep it real because we live in the struggle. But in all respect, disrespecting the hustle. Niggas hands out for freebies, give me the heebie-jeebies. See easy past the easy, I can't do a little more. Cuz, but with your hands big, I like 5 cuz, for that type shit. Oh man, talk sucker, stupid motherfucker. Under the cover, bro, wanna be a hustler. Gotta get high, please don't ask me why. I can't explain, this thing makes me feel fine. Gotta get high, please don't ask me why. I can't explain, this thing makes me feel fine. Gotta get high, please don't ask me why. I can't explain, this thing makes me feel fine. Gotta get high, please don't ask me why. I can't explain, this thing makes me feel fine. Gotta get high, please don't ask me why. I can't explain, this thing makes me feel fine. Gotta get high, please don't ask me why. I can't explain, this thing makes me feel fine. Gotta get high, please don't ask me why. I can't explain, this thing makes me feel fine.
Oh shit!
Remix.
He talking shit. He said some shit. Oh shit! He talking shit. He said some shit. Oh shit!
Ooh, you talking shit on Tiny Chat. In the box, you's a bitch with the feedback. I'm a motherfucking legend when you speak my name. C.ROCC from the block, bitch, I run things. Flat screens everywhere, cause I'm living large. By the fireplace, your baby mama going hard. You can see my ice sparkle in the firelight. I'm about to roll another blunt, I'm about to take flight. Fuck niggas love to hate until they get shot. Popping off at the mouth, about to get got. You little bitch.
Oh shit! He talking shit. He said some shit. Oh shit! He talking shit. He said some shit. Oh shit! Ooh, not all the rappers, but most of them sound alike. I've been rapping since most of them knew how to ride a bike. On the dope track, hopping, flipping, pushing white. That Yola. Triple beam scale scanners on that high. And that robot. Dromers walking around with they spook out. Grinding, standing in front of my mama's home. Magazine Street. Hubba Rocks, ounces, cotton candy zones. Ice cream. Zippers, quarters, half pounds, hold for the dope fee. Verified fixture, gritter, weight mover. Burgundy Mercury 67 Cougar. With the luggage rack and the gold tips. Gold grill, gold weed, gold ring. fucking thing. Better learn how to swim or you gon' fucking sink. If you don't work, then you won't fucking age. Crying, complaining, and whining ain't cool. How the fuck I'ma help you if you can't help you? Oh shit. He talking shit. There's some shit. Oh shit. He talking shit. There's some shit.
The mixtape monster, C.ROC from the block, and that nigga
I know it's a lot of haters, a lot of radio stations, and a lot of famous rappers out there hating on me.
Fuck these haters, I gotta stack my chips. Fuck these haters, I gotta stack my chips. Fuck these haters, I gotta stack my chips. There's more than one way to the top to get rich. Fuck these haters, I gotta stack my chips. Fuck these haters, I gotta stack my chips. Fuck these haters, I gotta stack my chips. There's more than one way to the top to get rich, man. Fuck these haters, I gotta stack my chips. There's more than one way to the top to get rich. I'm repping my city into the death to me. Leaving Ohio, I got the recipe. I'm one of the realest, so I'ma speak the truth. I'm the king of the block. I'm a corner of the earth, which makes the world my turf. Your favorite rappers, my homies, let's go talk about who I heard. I'm back on my paper route, I'm a stalker. I'm beat on, work my way through AK, young style for the many reasons. So much money ain't no need for being greedy. Haters my motivation like niggas on TV. Fuck these haters, I gotta stack my chips. Fuck these haters, I gotta stack my chips. Fuck these haters, I gotta stack my chips. There's more than one way to the top to get rich. Fuck these haters, I gotta stack my chips. Fuck these haters, I gotta stack my chips. Fuck these haters, I gotta stack my chips. There's more than one way to the top to get rich. Toledo, Columbus, Cincinnati, and back to Thompson. Lay back by the fireplace, chillin', smoke something. Back to the city on the grind within the hour. Like haters, my motivation, the money's the power. I would devour any coward for all his dollars. When you fuck with us wolves, all the money becomes ours. Times is hard, I need all this money.